Today I'm making meringue shards. They're super easy to make and add texture and visual interest to a dish. Start off with getting 4 egg whites. Place the whites into the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Whisk the whites until soft peaks form. Then stream in 200 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Then continue mixing on high for about 5 minutes until you can no longer feel any sugar granules when you rub a small amount of meringue between your fingers. I'm adding in some of the corn husk ash I made in a previous video. I'll link the recipe above. You can of course leave the meringues plain white or add in things like dehydrated fruit powders, lemon zest, or orange zest, just to name a few. If you're adding one of these additions into the meringue, just quickly stir it through until combined. Next, transfer the meringue onto lined baking trays. Smooth the meringue out in a thin, even layer onto the trays. Then, bake in an oven preheated to 175 Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 2 hours. After the meringue has cooled, break the sheets up into shards. There are lots of ways to use these. Use them to garnish desserts, top ice cream, or add to pavlovas. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and feel free to connect with me elsewhere at KAC Creative.